In this video, we're going to look at how to solve this JAMB economics repeated questions under theory of price determination. We're going to focus on the subtopic concept of market and price, and we have about 10 to 11 repeated questions practice in the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says an important function of the price system is to have ensured that producers' profits remain high, protect the economy interest of government, guarantee full employment of resources, allocate resources to most productive uses. So the right answer is that it allocates resources to most productive uses. Okay, next question, this one, it says the main function of price in the economic system is to determine the demand for and the supply of goods and services, ensure equitable distribution of income and wealth, allocate scarce resources among competing uses, remove all the constraints on production of goods and services. The right answer is that the main function of price in the economic system is to allocate scarce resources among competing uses. Okay, next question, this one, it says price mechanism determines the price of commodities through government legislation, the sale of treasury bills, functioning market forces. The right answer is option D, market forces. Next question, this one, it says the main function of the price system is to minimize cheating, ensure efficient allocation of resources in the economic system, distribute resources equally among competing, hence allocate goods and services equally. The right answer is option B, ensure efficient allocation of resources in the economic system. Next question, this one, it says the rule of the price system includes the following except to fully utilize resources to solve the problem of how, what, when, and how much produced, to create relationship between variables, determine the distribution of production. So the exception here is to create relationship between variables, option C. Okay, so that's the answer to this question. Next question, this one, it says the supply and demand for goods and services are influenced by the supermarket mechanism of equilibrium price mechanism, entrepreneur. The right answer is option C, price mechanism. Very important. Next question, this one, it says the major function of the price mechanism is to ensure that producers maximize profit, guide consumers to minimize satisfaction, ensure efficient allocation of resources, increase scarcity of productive resources. The right answer is option C, is to ensure efficient allocation of resources. Next question, this one, it says the price per unit of a commodity to the buyer is the same as the average revenue of the seller, marginal revenue of the seller, marginal cost of the commodity, normal profit to the seller. So the right answer is option A, which is the same as average revenue of the seller. Next question is one. The rule of price system includes the following steps. I think we have attempted similar question. The right answer is this option C, this exception to create relationship between variables. The last question for end this video, this one, says dash and dash are goods and factors of production, but the existence of price, so we have government, authorities and consumers, scarcity and usefulness, firms and consumers and scarcity. So the right answer is that scarcity and usefulness of goods and factors of production, but that brought the existence of price. So guys, this is basically going to do problems involving concept of market and price, a subtopic in theory of price determination for your JAMB economics practice with about 10 to 11 questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's get the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button. For more of these videos, like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what you learned in the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that part of the channel membership by clicking the JAMB button and getting premium information to help you to excel in exams like JAMB and other exams we're writing. Having done this, click on the screen button. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.